You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing.
Hey guys, it's Nikki and I am here back week number 2. I'm just basically filming this intro so that I can kind of tell you what's to come in this video. I want to report back on how my first week was with the bikini shred. Okay, so let me report this. When I started this 6-week bikini shred, I didn't think I'm gonna have my first week and then my first weekend I'm gonna just have some cheat days. I wasn't even thinking about that. I guess I didn't even lay out any rules for myself, really. Not rules, but guidelines. I didn't lay out any guidelines as far as treats and sweets and cheat meals go. So I pretty much just thought to myself, you know what? I followed the 80-20 rule. I talked about it in my last video, and I feel comfortable there. My body's comfortable there. So if for 80-20, so I'm gonna eat healthy for the full week, and then Saturday and Sunday I'm gonna have some cheat meals. I'm gonna have some treats. I'm gonna have whatever that may be. A coffee is a cheat meal to me. It's not a cheat drink. It's not a sweet. I mean, it is a sweet, but what I'm saying is I'm not gonna go have a coffee and then also go have cheese enchiladas. What I'm thinking is Friday I had the coffee, and then Saturday I had my husband's fried risotto balls, and I had some other little things, and then Sunday came around and we were invited to my in-laws house, and I went and I had ribs, and I also had a piece of pumpkin pie. So I really let myself kind of have what I wanted, and then my husband made rice pudding. So it really wasn't a great weekend for me. I really wish I would have stuck a little bit more to my bikini shred. I'm not regretful, and I'm also not hard on myself. It's okay, you know what I mean? And I think that a lot of people get held back by, shit, I messed up this weekend. I drank, I had cake, I went overboard. If you go overboard, just jump back on the ship, you know, on Monday. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I did. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday. Right now, today is Tuesday, April 24th. I'm hoping that I'm gonna get this video uploaded today. So, but yesterday was my daughter's 10th birthday, my oldest daughter, and we did have steaks and artichoke and potato skins. But you know, like I said, since it was my daughter's birthday, I'm not gonna, you know, my family wanted me to enjoy those with them. I wanted to enjoy the meal with my family, so I did. So that's kind of not, I mean, I didn't plan on doing that, but that's what happened, and that's what I have to just kind of move forward from. So I'm gonna move forward from this last weekend and Monday, yesterday, because of my daughter's birthday. So today I started out with oatmeal. I had my coffee, I had an apple, I had my protein peanut butter balls after my workout today, and then also I had some grilled chicken with broccoli and a half a cup of brown rice. So that was today. I'm also gonna have dinner. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also at the end of this video, you'll see a circle that says subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button.
I'm gonna be Mom.
Okay, let's go. Okay, go potty.
Mom, go with me.
Go right here. Anyway, guys, I hope you are staying strong. I hope you are reaching all your fitness goals. I hope you are getting something out of my videos. If there's something else you want to see, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. I would be forever grateful, and I will do a shout out to whoever messaged me and says, hey Nikki, I subscribe to your videos. I will shout you out on my video, and I'll even make a cute sign and, you know, say something to you. I don't know. Help me out, guys, please. I would be so grateful. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good week. I will see you next week for episode 3 and week 3 of my... Okay guys, sorry. I actually meant to say enjoy the video here and not thank you for watching, but so the video starts now. Okay, so let's see what my weight is today compared to last week. And that is 131.0. So last week I was 131.6, and now today I'm 131.0. Like I said, not to weigh yourself all the time. I am going to weigh myself every week just for this little 6-week bikini shred thing. As after the 6 weeks, I will just go back to not weighing myself. But I do want to just see where how my body weight fluctuates. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to kind of monitor my weight through this 6-week process. So that's the weight for today. So now let's go see my physique update so we can compare to last week. Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick voiceover for these 2 clips that I have for you here. This is week 1 of the bikini, 6-week bikini shred that I did last week. This is episode 1, this is week 1, this is my starting point, and then you'll see here, this is week 2, which I did this physique update tonight, and I recorded it tonight, which is Monday, April 23rd. So I don't see much of a difference. In fact, I think I see more of a bulge in my tummy for week 2, but I just wanted to compare the 2 clips so that you can see for yourself. Okay, so I have already made my oatmeal for today and my coffee, which is just a Donut Shop vanilla cream puff, and then I just add 1 packet of Truvia and then also some half and half.
With your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come
We are at Target again. So we are going to Target because Lily's 10th birthday is on Monday. So we're just getting her some last minute stuff for her birthday. And then we have a birthday party this coming weekend, so this is fun.
Can I see your earrings in my ear?
See my earrings in there?
Yes.
Yeah, you see them? So it's Friday. Feeling good. Going to Target. This is like my favorite thing to do on a Friday. Let's go to Target. So, we are back from Target. We got what we needed for Lily's birthday, and now, so it was really late, 9 or 9:30 when we got home. So we stopped at the most healthiest option that we could possibly find, and my husband loves this place, so it was easy to get to eat here. So we got a Pollo Loco, which obviously is, you know, fired grilled chicken. It's not, you know, fried or anything like that. So this is what I get from there. This is the healthiest option that I can get from there, and obviously not the flour tortillas. I'm gonna pass on those this time, even though I love them. So I get just the 2-piece combo, breast and wing. They were out of breast. That was a bummer. I got the side of broccoli and then black beans. So protein and fiber, and then more fiber and veggies. This is a complete all-around meal. Hi guys! We decided to come take some pictures, and this is such a cool spot in Vegas to come. Like, I have never actually been here, so I thought it would be cool. Actually, it was my husband's idea to come out here, and now I'm fully in, and this is way cool. So
lights down low, still wondering what you're saying.
Stay, stay, stay.
Baby, please don't go. I'd rather have you staying.
Stay, 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 stay.
Pick up the mess that you left shattered on the floor. Keep the lights down low.
stayed home from school. We are at Baby Stacks.
It's my birthday.
Having breakfast. I didn't get much sleep last night. I am very tired, but it's this kid's birthday. We got a party.
10, now I don't have to order out the kids menu all the time.
You've been ordering off the adult menu for a minute. Anyway, I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm eating today while we're at breakfast.
Not officially all the time.
I don't talk about my
Tark, what's today? Whose birthday is it?
Lily!
How old is she?
10!
Yes! So this was Lily's birthday breakfast, and I chose an omelet. It was a Huntington omelet with cheese and bacon and ham and spicy pico de gallo topped with cheese and avocado, and it was really good. It's a really good choice for when you go out to breakfast to choose an omelet.
We're blowing rings of smoke out in the freezing cold.